One of the things I think I like the most about conservation is that I get to spend really intimate time with these items.
So the Clements is the best collection of early Americana on a public university campus in the country. I think that makes a huge difference that it's on the public campus. We are open to anybody. We have a tremendous responsibility to make sure that future generations have access to these collections.
I get to handle the items physically, and I get to spend a lot of quiet time with each item, documenting it, looking at what kind of paper is it, what kind of pigment is on the surface, is it hand applied, is it printed? Looking at handwriting and manuscript writing is so intimate. You feel the humanness in all of these items, and I feel this connection, almost a spiritual connection with these items. And I get to spend that kind of intimate time, deep connection, which I really, really love. I think if anybody takes that amount of time with anything or another human being, it's like getting to know them. And you end up developing an empathy and an understanding that I think is so important in this world, and it makes us human beings. That's why working with any of these materials in this kind of way is just such a blessing for me.